Welcome to Prime Direction Current Affairs 2023, Episode 2. 16th question. Name the personality who has recently, in July 2C, appointed as the chairman of the Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs, CBIC. Options are A. Sanjay Kumar Agrawal, B. Rajiv Talwar, C. Surjit Bhujbal, D. Vivek Johari, E. Sungita Sharma. Time starts now. And the answer is A. Sanjay Kumar Agrawal. Next question. In August 2023, National Aeronautics and Space Administration (NASA) and Axiom Space has signed a mission order for the Axiom Mission 4 (AX-D), the fourth private astronaut mission to the International Space Station (ISS), to launch in 2024 on Dash rocket. Options are A. Falcon 1E, B. Grasshopper, C. Falcon 9, D. Starship, E. Falcon 5. Time starts now. And the answer is C. Falcon 9. Next question. In August 2023, China's Wen Hongyang won the men's singles title by defeating Dash, Indian badminton player, in the Sathio Group Australian Open 2023 Australian Open 202C, held in Sydney. Options are A. H.S. Pranoy, B. Shrikant Kidambi, C. Chirag Shetty, D. Satvik Sairaj Rankireddy, E. Lakshya Sen. Time starts now. And the answer is A. H.S. Pranoy. Next question. When was Hiroshima Day 2023 observed across the globe? Options are A. 5th of August 2023, B. 3rd of August 2023, C. 6th of August 2023, D. 4th of August 2023, E. 7th of August 2023. Time starts now. And the answer is C. 6th of August 2023. Next question. What was the theme of 9th National Handloom Day 2023 observed across India on 7th of August 2023? Options are A. Promote Handloom in India, B. Festival Yuvaah Utsaah Naye Bharat Ka, C. Handloom, an Indian legacy, D. Handloom, symbol of India's glorious cultural heritage, E. Handloom for sustainable fashion. Time starts now. And the answer is E. Handloom for sustainable fashion. Next question. In August 2023, the Union Cabinet approved Rs Dash for a last-mile broadband connectivity plan for 6.4 lakh villages across India as part of the BharatNet project. Options are A. 2.78 lakh crores, B. 3.20 lakh crores, C. 1.39 lakh crores, D. 2.13 lakh crores, E. 4.20 lakh crores. Time starts now. And the answer is C. 1.39 lakh crores. Next question. Name the institution/think tank that has recently, in August 2C, signed and MoU with the Power Conversion Technologies, PCTI, and Common Service Centers, CSC, E-Governance India Limited to promote military heritage guided tourism. Options are A. Banaras Hindu University, B. Indian Institute of Tourism and Travel Management, C. Lovely Professional University, D. National Institute of Tourism and Hospitality Management, E. United Services Institution of India. Time starts now. And the answer is E. United Services Institution of India. Next question. In August 2023, India pledged to support $700,000 from the India-United Nations Development Partnership (UNDP) fund to dash country's clean water initiatives and community development in schools project. Options are A. Vanuatu, B. Fiji, C. Tonga, D. Samoa, E. Tuvalu. Time starts now. And the answer is E. Tuvalu. Next question. Which insurance company has recently, in August 2C, entered into a bank assurance tie-up with Standard Chartered Bank, SCB, to sell health insurance products? Options are A. Aditya Birla Health Insurance, B. Reliance General Insurance, C. Star Health and Allied Insurance, D. Care Health Insurance, E. Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance. Time starts now. And the answer is C. Star Health and Allied Insurance. Next question. The Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, has recently, in August 2C, decreased the validity period of approval for alternative investment funds, AIFs, and venture capital funds, VCFs, to make overseas investments to 4 months from dash months. Options are A. 7 months, B. 6 months, C. 10 months, D. 8 months, E. 12 months. Time starts now. And the answer is B. 6 months. Next question. Who has recently, in August 2C, emerged as the highest paid bank chief executive officer, CEO, in the financial year 2022 to 2023 FY2C? Options are A. Amitabh Chaudhary, Axis Bank, B. Sandeep Bakshi, ICICI Bank, C. Prashant Kumar, Yes Bank, D. Shashidhar Jagdishan, HDFC Bank, E. Dinesh Kumar Khada, State Bank of India. Time starts now. And the answer is D. Shashidhar Jagdishan, HDFC Bank. Next question. In August 2023, Ali Mohammed Lamin Zain was appointed as the Transitional Prime Minister, PM, of dash country. Options are A. Niger, B. Guinea, C. Senegal, D. Ghana, E. Uganda. Time starts now. And the answer is A. Niger. Next question. When was the National Javelin Day 2023 observed across India? Options are A. 8th of August 2023, B. 6th of August 2023, C. 9th of August 2023, D. 7th of August 2023, E. 5th of August 2023. Time starts now. And the answer is D. 7th of August 2023. Next question. Which state's Cottage and Rural Industries Department has recently, in August 2C, signed an MoU with Amazon India and Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India, EDII, to boost e-commerce exports? Options are A. Haryana, B. Gujarat, C. Maharashtra, D. Madhya Pradesh, E. Rajasthan. Time starts now. And the answer is B. Gujarat. Next question. What is the capital of Niger? Options are A. Kampala, B. Niamey, C. Kigali, D. Addis Ababa, E. Abuja. Time starts now. And the answer is B. Niamey.